Welcome back, you guys. After a very tiring excursion at Catalina Island, we have to head back to the ship. And while we're on the tender, I would want to film a little bit and capture how this glorious water is. I also want to get a glimpse of the little yachts and the little sailboats and people just having fun and great time on their vacation. Just look at that. Won't this be a memorable summer? If you're new here to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button and put down a comment if you will. It means a lot to us. Now I know what those rubber balls at the side of the tenders are for. Remember we had a leak on the porthole suite? Well guys, they moved us. But wait. There are already occupants in here. Look! They're chilling out on the bed. Are you sure this room is ours? What do you think you're doing, guys? Just chilling? I guess they just want to hang out with us. Look at this cute elephant guy. He's partly sunbathing. Are you having a good time? Mr. Elephant? How about you, Mr. Bear? Are you having a good time? Did you like Catalina Island? Wow, you get a good view outside. Somebody parasailing. Yeah. See? That's so cool. That's the view from our room, guys. It's a fun day outside. We just got back. Nice view. We got upgraded, by the way. We got an upgrade in our room. So now we have a full window. Ocean view. Diba? Very good. Towels. If you want to go out the pool, you can use their towels. They provided you two per each room. Guys, I forgot to tell you, you are allowed to bring some sodas in cans on board. So if you're fond of drinking sodas, you can bring it here in the ship. There's a limit. For one person, you're allowed to bring 12. So for us, we brought just 12. OOTD tayo, guys. Like my dress. I bought it from Francesca. In the kitchen. Okay lang. Parang duster. Burger ni Daddy. Ako deconstructed. Kasi gusto ko yung sides na sa gilid, pinapapa ko. Iniiwasan ko yung buns para hindi ako mabusog. Kain tayo! Sarap! Wow! Ang sarap ng kain ni Daddy! Sarap! Next time on CUZUVMCVOY. Kasi maaga kami nakatulog kanina dahil sa sobrang busog. Dad, may masama kang balakid. Pina-wash out pala yung sahig paggabi. Ayan o, basa. Oo. It is good side. Yeah. It is good, Mom.